Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Ciao, in today's video guys we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you, one relay guys for two different things. If you're trying to find the relay for the secondary air pump or the relay for the diesel heating engine guys, for the diesel fuel heater, or the secondary air pump, it's one relay for both of those things. If you have a gas car, that relay will be for the secondary air pump. If you have a diesel car, that relay will be for the diesel fuel heater as well. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car because our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can by providing all these videos for you. So please guys subscribe, that's all we need. Like the video and drop a comment below and let us know how we can improve. This guys is a 2015 Chevy Cruze. It's a gas car, and we'll show you guys where that relay is that we're talking about. First we need to go ahead and open the hood, right here. Support it now. And now we need to go ahead and open the fuse box. This is your fuse box, this is where the relays will be. Now how you open it, here you have three clips, you squish towards each other, pull up, and then this one, and it will come out. Now the relay that we're looking at guys, it's called relay number 16. It will be this, let me focus a little bit, this relay right here. That's the one for the secondary air pump, and that's for the diesel fuel heater if you have a diesel Chevy Cruze. Grab it with two hands, pull it up. And this is guys your relay. Now we'll guys have a video on the channel that will explain how to test those relays, how to know if they're good and all that stuff. Because there is absolutely no need guys, to replace that relay if you don't have to. Why to waste money if yours is good? Now if you need to replace it again, the link will be listed in the description of the video below, and you can see where we receive our relays for a really good and affordable price. When you are ready guys to install it, all we have to do, push it in, all the way in. Make sure that it's contacting good because otherwise it will not work. Next you need to install your cover guys, that cover. Push it all the way in, otherwise if water and moisture go in it, you can damage your fuse box. Also guys, if you need some mechanical videos on Chevy Cruze, like transmission, engines, video or related videos, taking door panels, window regulators, all that will be on our main channel guys, Auto Repair guys. Please check it out, give a thumb up, subscribe guys. We're doing quite a few stuff. You can see we're doing here, we have engine replacements, we have the radiator fans, radiators, all that will be on the channel. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.